Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to open any app just by pressing and holding the power or lock button in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Assistant App Launcher, and on the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now just click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will show you various options. Now firstly, just select the application which you want to open. So let me select Chrome. So you can select any app depending upon your needs. Now just click on this launch settings. Now just click on this digital assistant app and just select this assistant app launcher. Now just move back. Now you can just minimize this application. Now as soon as I press this power or lock button, so now you can see the Google Chrome gets open. So it's working perfectly. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily open any app just by pressing and holding the power or lock button in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.